Hey guys, are you tired of boring conversations and wondering why she's not chasing you? And why don't you get attention from women? So watch the video now to become the man she can't resist. Guys, the mistake that you do when you are dating a girl is you kill the mystery. In the fast-paced world of dating, mastering the art of mystery is the key to making any woman chase you. Because mystery is the fuel that drives attraction. Imagine a date without any secrets or surprises. It's like watching a movie trailer that reveals the entire plot. Instead of being like 99% of guys and having a boring conversation, be different. Don't reply to her questions that lead to mundane discussions. For example, when she asks you what you're doing and you reply with one-word answers like TV or Netflix. So never answer a question of hers that's going to kill the conversation. The other day, I matched with a girl on Tinder. I picked her up with my car and she asked me, "What did you do today?" Now, I'm not going to give her my whole day's itinerary, right? So, my response, even if I did something fun, is to say, "Oh, I did bits." It might sound ridiculous, but it works. She laughs, and we change the topic. It's about keeping it light. Now, you might think these tips are only for casual dating, but they're even more important in serious relationships. This is how you keep the spark alive, even with the woman you love. Guys, you gotta understand that woman craves a strong, masculine man who can provide and protect. But how does she recognize this strength? She might see you hit the gym and think, "He's strong, that's good." But here's the real game changer. The real magic happens inside her head. If she's into you, she'll fantasize about you. Her perspective of you can be even better than reality. She's picturing you as hero, conquering the world. She's wondering about your every move. What are you doing right now? Is he with other girls? Is he at the gym? Becoming even more irresistible? These thoughts might seem negative, but they're a sign of her deep respect and admiration for you. She's fantasizing about you as long as you remain mysterious. But, the moment you send that mundane text, "Hey, what are you up to?" "I'm just watching TV right now," the fantasy crumbles. The mystery is gone, and she's left thinking, "Oh, he's just watching TV." So guys, remember, if you want her to continue fantasizing about you, keep that mystery alive. Let her believe you're out there doing incredible things. Because in her eyes, you're the hero of your own story. Don't let reality destroy the fantasy. The power of mystery is your key to igniting her desires and keeping her captivated. You know, guys, that the core problem that leads to relationship failure is depolarization. It's when the man and woman become too similar, more like friends than lovers. To stay polarized, to keep that masculine mystery and feminine allure, that's the key to a lasting connection. Now, I know this might sound unusual, but trust me, it's crucial to understand that spending every moment together can depolarize a relationship. Remember, maintaining the mystery is the secret to keeping your connection alive. Let's take the example of caveman days. Picture yourself in a cave, living a simple life. Every moment spent together was intense, passionate, and wild. But you had to leave for hours, sometimes even days, on a hunt, and your wife wasn't sure if you'd return. Imagine your wife's anxiety as they waited for your return. They had hope, but uncertainty loomed. Now, envision the moment you return with a massive catch, like a victorious caveman. The look in your woman's eyes, the instant connection, the flood of love and passion. How different would your energy be at that moment? The lesson here is not about being like a caveman, but about creating space and mystery in your relationship. Now, think about modern relationships. Couples living together, sharing a routine, becoming too familiar with each other. Familiarity leads to depolarization, where the spark and passion begin to fade. Ask yourself, where's the mystery in the modern man? I've made mistakes in my relationships before. I was too close, too familiar with my woman. We talked every day, spent too much time together, and had sex every day. It seemed normal, even ideal, in the short term. But in the long run, it jeopardized the survival of the relationship. To rekindle the passion and mystery in your relationship, consider taking a step back, creating distance, and rediscovering the excitement of missing each other. This approach may just breathe new life into your love story. It's about creating space and mystery in your relationship. Modern life often leads to familiarity and depolarization between couples. We see couples spending endless hours together, losing the spark, and that's not what we want. So what I'm saying here is you can apply the principle of creating mystery in your relationship. Spend time apart, have your own adventures, and watch how the passion reignites when you reunite. As a man, you need to disappear sometimes. You need to have a mission, something you're so incredibly passionate about that you're willing to give it your all, even if it means spending some time away from your woman. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of attraction and relationships. Remember, stay enigmatic, stay irresistible, and let her imagination run wild. Thanks for watching.